Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. So today I'm showing you this video. It is number 4 in the 2 ingredient series. And this series is just about making wonderful whipped butters with just 2 ingredients. So first you'll be needing black castor oil. So we sell the organic black castor oil on our website, and you will be pairing this with some unrefined Tamanu butter. So Tamanu butter is a wonderful butter. If you haven't heard about Tamanu butter, I would leave the description about Tamanu butter and the link to the video in the description section here, and you can read it up and find out more about this wonderful butter. It is a mix of shea, stearine, and some tamanu oil. So these are highly anti-inflammatory ingredients, and they make up this wonderful butter. It is very soft and silky, and actually in the summer months you can actually just use it on its own without mixing it or whipping it up, because it's so soft and just melts very easily. So here I have gone ahead to melt the butter down, and just like I did in the other videos, I set aside some oil and I just top up as I go along. So we actually sell this butter on the website, and a lot of people have testified to how wonderful it is for hair. So it is a very wonderful hair softener. I have very coarse hair, and I showed that on this channel a few times. My hair is really dense and very coarse, so I have no problem with it, but I definitely like it to be soft. So I go ahead and use this whipped butter for my hair. So leave-in conditioner, if you have natural hair, any kind of hair actually, if you have Caucasian hair, you just need your leave-in conditioner first, and then you can top it up with oils. That's the key to successful hair management and hair growth. So here you can see I already refrigerated the melted down tamanu, and you can just see the blend of tamanu and black castor oil. It's just incredible. Like, you don't even need to whip it up. Just look how silky it is. It really pairs very nicely, and it locks in moisture in your hair just instantaneously. I do not even need any other extra ingredients. So when I wash my hair, obviously my leave-in goes in first, and then I seal in the moisture with this whipped butter. It definitely helps my hair stay soft and moisturized for days. I don't need to top up or take my twist down and retwist. It just stays nice and moisturized, and you can almost just leave it this way. But this series is about whipped butters, and I would show you how I went ahead to whip it. So tamanu oil on its own is very medicinal, and in the video where I describe the origins and how it's processed, I go into detail about where this wonderful ingredient originates from and how it is processed. So it's not simply shea butter and tamanu oil. No, it is shea stearine. That is one of the the byproducts of shea butter manufacturing. So that is actually a highly sought after component of shea butter, and that is added to tamanu oil to form tamanu butter. So it is premium quality stuff here. That's why it's not cheap. And actually on Amazon, I believe we are the only sellers, or there might be 1 or 2 sellers, but we've been selling this butter for many years. Actually, the reason I introduced this butter was there was a research on this butter on, I believe it was Dr. Oz, that discussed the benefits of tamanu butter, how it curbs inflammation on the skin, on the scalp, and how it just deals with skincare problems like eczema and blemishes and other skin irritation problems. He definitely went deep into the benefits of this butter. So I started making sure that we have it in stock, and we do carry it. We sell it on Amazon, we sell it on our website, and we've been selling it for years, and everybody just loves it. So you can see how it's turning out. Like I said, you don't have to whip it, but if you decide to whip it, it just shows a different layer of the combination here, and it's just a beautiful blend. And if you are looking to soften your hair, you're looking to just have a nice twist out style, or to lock in moisture, I would highly recommend this blend. It's just 2 ingredients. Like I say, you need black castor oil and you need Tamanu butter. So we sell these on our website. If you would like to make it, simply just grab those 2 ingredients and your hair would be set for the whole year pretty much. Like, it can last up to 6 months. This recipe just calls for a certain amount, and I would leave that in the description and how you can combine this. You can also just make your own combination, just varying the ingredient composition and amounts on your own. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and let me know if you're going to make it and what your hair loves in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Bye.